What's going on, guys? Today's Saturday. Today I'm going to be taking my car to get buffed. As you guys can see, it's super dirty right now, but I'm gonna go take it to go get buffed. I was actually gonna pressure wash a lot of the stuff off and then just take it for them to clean it, but I think I'm gonna just see if they have like if they could give me a hose so I could just hose it down, like hose the hood down, because I don't want to buff the hood or anything with all like the dirt on it. So yeah, that's what's going on. That's what's happening today. Not too much is gonna happen today because I have a family baby shower to go to today. So I already have about a few hours to get some stuff done on the car. So I'm gonna try to get everything out the way as soon as possible. So let's get this day started, guys. I'm gonna drive it. I'm gonna take it over there with no front bumper on, because I'm pretty sure he's gonna have to like buff like right here, and the bumper is gonna be like the grill's gonna be here and the bumper and stuff. So I'm just gonna take it to him like this, that way he could be able to buff it better without the bumper being there, and won't have to like, you know, scratch my grill or whatever. Because when you're buffing, you're actually scratching some of the clear. You're scratching the clear off. So I don't want to mess up my bumper, but it just still looks good like this. So look at that. So it's a pretty good view right there. You see the turbo, see everything. But yeah, guys, she's super dirty. I don't know if you guys can see, but she's super dirty. I don't really care. I'm doing this because it's gonna come right off. So guys, that sensor that was messed up on my harness is the signal for the coolant temperature. So as you guys can see, it's gonna stay on C at all times. But they gotta have an S300 Bluetooth version. So you can literally see my temperature right there. My motor temperature which is a coolant temperature. So thank God for the Bluetooth. But I ordered the harness. I ordered the plug with the pigtail. I have it inside. I might connect it today. I'm not too sure. But my dad is gonna be taking the car tomorrow. I can't do a vlog on it tomorrow because we're taking my daughter to a zoo. So I'm not gonna have any time to work on the car, and I need the car done by like next week. So my dad's gonna take it to drill out 2 bolts that broke on the fender this week. We put the fender on, which I didn't vlog because I told you guys it's been really hectic with work, coming out of work and trying to do everything. So I haven't been grabbing the camera. But my dad's gonna come tomorrow to pick it up, take it to his job to drill out those 2 bolts that broke. And he might be installing the pigtail for me. I'm not sure. I might be installing today. If I don't install it today, then I'll just give it to him. And then during the week, I need to be putting in my music because I have no music. Well, I have music, but I don't have any bass or anything like that. So I need that before I go to Connecticut. Got to the shop, taking off the dirt off the hood. Alright guys, so just got back from getting the hood and trunk buffed and polished. Vacuumed the car. I did a pull on my phone. I'm gonna insert the clip here. And basically after I did that pull, first of all, I just want to say this car was just literally backfiring like crazy. It doesn't sound that loud on the camera, but in person it was crazy. But anyway, so after I did the pool, I started hearing like a quick. So I was like, oh, something broke. So I turned off the car, pulled over, and I just kept driving. So I wasn't making a noise when I was driving straight, but when I made a right, it was making a quick. So I pushed the dust shield from the rotor back. Now it's not making a noise. It's making a little bit on the other side, so I gotta, I guess, play with the dust shields a little bit because it's kind of rubbing somewhere. That always happens to me. I'm gonna try to see if I can figure out a way. I never checked if you can take them out. I'm pretty sure you can take them out, but they're just rubbing. But yeah, I got a little nervous because that pool, I did like a strong pull just to make sure the car was 100% back to being, you know, normal, which it was. Air falls were like at 10.9 or something like that, which was amazing. It was getting plenty of fuel, wasn't running lean at all. So the car is good. Right now I'm about to go home and put the bumper on. All right, I just got home. I'm here with little princess outside. She's hanging out with me while I'm working on the car. I just put the front bumper back on, even though my dad's gonna take it off tomorrow when he takes out these 2 screws. So the screws that broke are the one that's in here and the one that's down here, as you guys can see, like right here. I left the side screw like that so you could be able to take it out easy. The bolts on both sides are just tying by hand. I didn't want to tighten it for him to be able to just, I didn't want to tighten it, he has to take it out again, but front bumper's on. And this thing looks really good now. Pop with like the blue looks really crazy now. So good. Then I just went over and retightened each clamp. These clamps are not gonna be here no more. One of my friends is actually gonna weld this for me, so I'm gonna weld this. And I just put the waste. I just put the blow valve down here, but he's gonna take this pipe right here and just weld it for me, so it could be just one straight pipe. But I just tightened these and the clamps down there also, just to make sure everything was tight. It was a little bit loose. But yeah, overall, that's all. But this thing looks hella good now. I'm probably gonna hit it with some wax, clean it up a little bit more. But I'm gonna wash it probably next week. Give it a nice wash next week. But so far, just hanging out right here in front of my house with my little baby. Right, baby? Right? Right? We're hanging out. You a monster? You're not a monster. Alright, so I'm about to put the car in. The first drive, baby. Well, not first drive, but we're only backing up the car though. So far, it seems so good, you're not scared. Sit back, baby. She's ready to go. You ready to go, baby? You ready to go, baby? Look how cute she looks. She's so small you can't even see her head. Drive in the Civic. Not really drive, but I'm putting it in my driveway. Look how funny she looks. You like the ride? You look like you like it, baby. You comfortable, you chilling. Hey, let's go, come on. What's going on, guys? Today is another 7 o'clock morning. I actually worked today, but decided to wake up early today just so I could paint this valve cover and I could just get it out the way because I know I'm gonna be pretty busy with work this week and I don't want to you know, like come out of work and not have enough time. So just ended up waking up at 7 o'clock in the morning, and I'm just gonna paint this valve cover, take off all the color, paint it, take off the letters on the valve cover, then clear coat it, and we should be good. But let's get this morning started, guys. So for today, we will be using aircraft paint remover, which I always use, Rust-Oleum paint, same color as my engine bay, Rust-Oleum clear coat, and 600 grit sandpaper. I usually use 400, but 600 is not that bad. It'll still take off the color off the letters on the valve cover. I'll show you guys how to do that real quick once I paint it. But I'm about to go ahead right now. I'm gonna show you guys. I already went ahead yesterday and started and just removed all the bolts just so it could be a little bit easier. So all I gotta do is just remove this, spark plugs, obviously a little filter, you guys already know. I gotta take this out, and you guys already know it just comes right out. Alright guys, valve cover removed. Just take a second to look at this head. Look how clean this head is, and I have not changed this oil since Honda day. Look how clean this head is. Super fresh. So now what we're gonna do is get the aircraft remover, spray it on here, and take all this paint off. Just gonna cover this up. That way I can put my catch can. I can screw it back on, no problem. And I know a lot of people cover this. You know, they tape this up, tape up the spark plug holes, but I don't do it. Never had issue with it, and it always comes out perfectly fine. So let's go ahead and paint strip this. Right away. This thing is, look how it's already eating the paint. Look at that, easy. Just gonna fill up my reservoir bottle just a little bit more, just so I can have a full bottle. So everybody does this different ways. I usually just do this with water. I just hit it with water. And look how easy that paint just comes right out. Look at that. Literally nothing there. That easy. So while I lay down another layer. So basically what my dad did this week, because I wanted to go to the zoo with my daughter, my girl. So basically what I just told him to do was just to solder the VTEC harness wire and the engine coolant temperature sensor, the signal. This is the one, this one right here broke right here, so he also soldered it and he put like the heat shrink on it, so it's super good now. This one right here just sends a signal to the cluster to let you know how hot the car is. I didn't have it on because obviously it broke, but this is the one that the computer reads, and the one back there is where the cluster reads. So these two are fine now. And another thing he did, he did me a favor and took out, drilled out this bolt that was broken here and in the bottom. That's about it. But another thing I want to tell you guys, I really miss my carbon fiber. Like, I really miss it. But I guess I have to see this hood in the sun to actually see how it looks. Jeez, to see how it really looks. One thing is that the buffing didn't come out as good. As you guys can see, it has like a lot of fucking swirl marks, and that's because you know, they're not really like detailing guys or whatever. So when I do take it to get detailed, like I said, all of that is gonna come out. I don't really like the swirl marks, but I mean, there's nothing I can really do because like they're not detail guys. I really miss the carbon fiber. I don't know, maybe down the road I'll get it again, but carbon fiber is really expensive. I paid $1,300 for the hood and for the trunk. So I don't know, let's see. Okay, so now the valve cover is all done. I just sanded this down a little bit just to make it a little polished. Still gotta sand a couple more spots, so I'm gonna sand little spots here and there, and she's off the paint. Now it's time for some paint. Alright, so change of plans. I went to take off the color from the letters and the Honda emblem and everything. And the paint is dry, but it's like moist still. So when I went to go take it off, it was just smearing all over the place. So I messed up like a little bit here. So I just sanded it down real quick, just right here in the middle, sprayed it over. So I'm just gonna leave it like this for a few days. And then I'm just gonna go back over maybe with like a grinder blade or whatever, and that's how I did my old one, and I just like scraped it and everything just came off easily. But the paint is too wet right now. It's still like, I mean, the paint is dry, but it's like still moist, so I gotta let it sit for a couple days. So it doesn't look that bad, but I'm just gonna let it dry like this, and then I'm just gonna hit it over with some clear coat right now. Alright guys, so I messed up on the valve cover, like right here, so I just sprayed over that spot right there. And then I also messed up here, so I just put some acetone, sanded it down a little bit to try to smooth it out. And I'm going to try to attempt to paint this again, so let's see. Oh man, so I just ended up fucking up, and I'm real picky, so I ended up just taking all the paint off again, and I just ruined my pants, everything. I'm so picky, I fucked up on one little spot, so I'm just gonna do it all over again. Well, all the valve cover dries. I'm just gonna give the car a quick wash, because I haven't washed it and I'm real picky. Like, so as you guys see, gave her a nice wash. Damn, I haven't seen this paint shine in a long time. Look how good this color is. It just changes. This thing looks so freaking good. Can't wait to actually get it polished and everything. Well, there she goes, guys. Still have to do this another day because, like I told you guys, the paint is moist. But I'm liking how it looks. It makes it really pop out. Still gotta put this on when I come back from work, because I'm about to be running late to work, and I do not want to be late to work. So I'm gonna close out this video when I get back from work, guys. What's going on, guys? It's a couple days after. I just wanted to close out the video. So basically, I'm gonna take the car on Friday to try and get them to clean up the hood a little bit more. My detail guy, the guy's gonna do the he's gonna polish and buff my car and ceramic coat it, and he's gonna give me an ASAP for an appointment to do the clay bar, buffing, polish, do everything, and ceramic coat it. So I cannot wait for that. Stay tuned for the coating and everything that should be coming probably hopefully in a few weeks, or maybe in a week or 2 weeks. I don't know, whenever he has me ready for an appointment. So if you guys are going to Honda Fest, please comment down below. Let me know. Hit me on my DMs. Follow me on my Instagram, Steven Ocasio, right here. And DM me. Let me know if you guys are going to come over. Follow me on Instagram. If you're new, please, guys, subscribe. Trying to hit 10K. You guys are amazing. You guys always watch my videos, comment. I appreciate you guys. I super appreciate you guys. So if you're watching and you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. And remember, guys, build to enjoy. Like, share, subscribe. Peace.
Gucci flip-flops, fucking hit your bitch in my socks. This a big watch, diamonds dripping off of the clock. Who the